In this video, I want to talk about the age-old argument, film versus digital. I want to suggest to you that you graduate to film once you've mastered digital. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each. In the last several rolls of film, I went out with both my digital and my film camera to do the shoot, and I have a lot of comparison photographs that you can look at during this video. So I'll be doing that throughout the whole video. I'm going to discuss black and white for this video, not color. First, let's talk about value. How does something get value? Let's look at diamonds, for example. A real diamond or a laboratory-grown diamond. Which has more value? A laboratory diamond is flawless, but a real diamond from the ground has flaws. It's the flaws that give it value. It's a real diamond that came from the ground. Now let's consider a cookie. Which has more value to you? A home-baked cookie or a store-bought cookie? Now, the choice is clear here. Home-baked cookies are better than store-bought cookies. Why are they better? It took longer to make, right? It was a more enjoyable experience to make the cookie rather than to just buy the cookie in the store. Can we make these same comparisons with photography? I think we can. First, let's talk about digital. Digital photography is fun and rewarding because of its speed, low cost, and easy automatic features in the camera. You just point, shoot, you got a good picture. Digital photography is a great way to learn. With the digital camera, you can take as many pictures as you want without worrying about running out of film. With automatic ISO, you can take pictures in the dark and the light without skipping a beat. Film cameras can't do that. With digital, you can see your pictures right away, giving you instant feedback, and you can delete the ones you don't like, keep the ones you like, learn quickly how to take a better shot. It's fast, it's easy. With digital, you can easily upload the photos to social media, share with your friends, quick and easy. With digital, you can easily make a photo album, minimal effort. Once you buy a digital camera, you can click that shutter all you want and take all your pictures you want at virtually no cost. But I think with digital being so easy and so good, that's its actual weakness. You are not being artistically challenged when using a digital camera. There's no deep challenge when using a digital camera. It's just too easy to put it on auto and start shooting. Maybe tempted after you take the pictures to go into Photoshop and learn new techniques, get some more digital plugins, get a film simulation. But ask yourself, do you really want to spend more time in front of the computer? Or do you want to get out there and shoot more pictures? I think sitting in front of a computer is what you do possibly all day for work. Do you really want to do that when you get home for your hobby? I don't want to spend more time in front of my computer learning more Photoshop tricks. Is learning more Photoshop tricks going to make you more creative? Now let's talk about film, okay? Film is a great next step after you've mastered digital photography or the composition, lighting. You've mastered all those things in digital photography. Film is a good logical next step. The process of film is more hands-on. Loading the film, getting the older cameras, getting them to work. It's a fun, hands-on experience. With film, it's more immersive and rewarding of a photographic experience than digital. Film photography produces a unique and beautiful image that digital photography often can't match. Film photography has a look to it that digital images often lack. Many people think they can copy the look in Photoshop, but ask yourself, do you want a fake photograph film look, or do you want the actual film? Okay? I don't think sitting in front of a computer and getting a film look is going to make your photos better. Shooting film, that's the real thing. Don't go to the fake, go to the real. In a world where AI is exploding, do we really want more fake? We want more real. Film photography is a slower and more deliberate process than digital. This can be a good thing as it forces you to slow down and enjoy the moment while you're taking a picture. With digital, you could machine gun shoot until you get a good shot. But is that what you really want to do? With older cameras, sometimes things don't go right. Sometimes the focus is off, sometimes there's light leaks that you can't find. This makes film more challenging. When it's more challenging, you have to problem solve. Problem solving can help you build confidence and resilience in other areas of your life. I know that's a bold statement, but I would venture to say it's true. I love the sound of old cameras. That's a nice sound, isn't it? Yeah. Film is a great way to connect with the past. There's something special about holding film in your hands, okay? Now, I developed my film myself, which that's part of the process, that's part of the fun, okay? You shoot a roll, you bring it into your developing tank, you develop it, you rinse it out, you hang it up to dry, and it's a wonderful experience. Film has a unique look, definitely. Older lenses have looks that, newer lenses keep getting better and better, and they are. New digital lenses are fantastic. They're clean and crisp. Older lenses are not as sharp as the newer lenses, but you know what? part of the fun. Seeing that blur, seeing that less than perfect image. It's a great experience. Film prices keep going up, but there's still good deals in film. Thrift shops, Facebook Marketplace, there's still some good deals out there. A lot of my photographs are on expired film. I found a bulk loader at a thrift store, and I took a chance and I bought it, and it was full of film. So there's still good deals out there. You got to really kind of dig to find them. So if you're on the fence about film versus digital, I would suggest buying a camera, shooting a roll of film, and see if you enjoy the experience. Find your dad's or your grandpa's old camera sitting up in the attic somewhere, sitting in a box in the basement somewhere. See if it still works. You know, does the shutter still click? If it does the film winder still wind? You know, if you don't want to buy, you know, a more expensive, you know, if you can't find a camera like this, there's always these 1990s point and shoot. Probably have one in your house in a drawer somewhere. These are very common. These were lower cost. People had these on vacation. This was the more common camera in most people's homes 20, 30 years ago. So there's plenty of these around, and they're very low cost on eBay. Buy a roll of film and run it through. Get it developed if you enjoy it. If you get the chemicals yourself, once you get all the equipment to do your own developing, it's about 75 cents a roll. So very reasonable if you want to start doing your own developing. I actually teach photography to middle and high school students, and I took them out for a field trip one day. We shot a roll of film. They really enjoyed it. They came home and they said they were going to put the pictures on their memory wall. They had a good experience. They want to do it again. So people like film. It's really a good experience. I shoot film and digital. I will not hang the digital on my wall. I would much prefer to hang a film photograph on my wall because I like the imperfections. I like how film has that look, that real look. So in conclusion, would you agree that you graduate to film after starting and learning on digital? I think so. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Okay, I think that's a wrap, and thanks for watching, and please click the like and subscribe button to help support this channel. Now grab some friends and go take some pictures. Okay, grab a roll of film.